Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that affects many of the population of the world. How diet affects hair loss. Your diet plays a crucial role in the health and appearance of your hair. And we are going to explore the science behind this in this video. So let's start this topic section wise. Section number 1, reason of hair loss and diet. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of how diet impacts hair loss, let's first understand the basics of the hair loss. Hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, hormonal imbalance, and medical conditions. One often overlooked factor is diet. Your hair follicles rely on a steady supply of nutrients to function properly and produce the healthy hair. When your diet lacks the essential nutrients, it can lead to thin hair and even hair loss. Section number 2, nutrients essential for health. Now that we know the importance of a balanced diet for healthy hair, let's talk about the special nutrients that are essential for maintaining strong and vibrant hair. Number 1, protein. Protein is a building of a hair block, so make sure to include sources such as lean meats, eggs, and legumes in your diet. Number 2, iron. Iron is also crucial for healthy hair growth. So incorporate foods like spinach, lentils, and red meat into your daily diet. Number 3, omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and nuts help nourish the scalp and promote their growth. And finally, don't forget about vitamins such as biotin A and C. Play a key role in maintaining healthy hair follicles. Section number 3, foods that promote hair growth. Now that we know which nutrients are essential for healthy hairs, let's talk about specific foods that can promote hair growth. Include a variety of colorful fruit and vegetables into your diet to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens are all excellent choices for promoting hair health. Don't forget about lean protein like chicken and tofu, which provide a building block for strong hair strands. Section number 4, foods that contribute to hair health. On the flip side, there are certain foods that can contribute to hair loss. Processed food high in sugar and unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation in the body, which can negatively impact hair follicles. So limit your intake of sugary snacks, fast food, and sugary beverages to keep your hair healthy. Additionally, excessive alcohol consumption can dehydrate your body and prevent proper nutrition absorption, which can result in hair thinning. Section number 5, the importance of hydration. In addition to eating a nutrient-rich diet, staying hydrated is also crucial for staying healthy hairs. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps flush out the toxins in the body and keep your scalp hydrated. Dehydration can lead to brittle and dry hair, so make sure to drink plenty of water to support their hair growth. Remember to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats in your diet. And don't forget to manage your stress level and stay hydrated to promote optimal hair health. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.